right, this is where I'm parking the truck. I would say ease of access is pretty good since there's tire tracks down to the river. It's not steep. I would rate the ease of access here about as easy as it gets, as long as you think you can get up a hill with your vehicle. Oh yeah, right down to the river. A little bit of a washout here, but yeah, this is nice. This is real nice. River's nice and clear, I like that. So yeah, it's not bad at all. It's downhill, but looks like you can drive here pretty easy, and then just a little bit of a drag. Yeah, so this is where we're pulling out still. Pretty nice place. We got a little fire pit here. Some rocks to sit on, some firewood. Looks like that's like a table, picnic table thing. No chairs, no bed. And then across the road, there's some nice bathrooms. So this is a really nice place. This is in Largo, Indiana, Wabash River. This is where we're starting. Andrews public access site. So this is legit. There's no questions about it. This isn't just a path down the side of the bridge. You got a long dong here. Plan on backing in. Make sure you can get out. By the time we got here, there's already one truck. Now there's 2 more vehicles and ours. So it's a long, long driveway. So you can back down almost to the river. Alrighty, so you can drive to there, and then this little washout you got to get down. It's not too bad. I'd rate this as pretty easy to get down. And here we are. There's the bridge. There's the river. Lots of boulders up there. Yeah, pretty cool. Should be a good day. Yep, so we are on the river. I just got under the bridge at the beginning. Quite a few boulders. There's enough water to paddle though. I'm gonna get over in the channel. It's about less than a foot of water, but I'm floating. Yeah, it's a little over a foot here where it's deeper. Yeah, there might be some obstacles right here. It got awful shallow real quick. Yep, we're good now. I think it's gonna be this. As far as I can see, there's boulders. Yeah, I highly recommend polarized glasses. You can see boulders and stuff. The guys I'm with, they're not seeing them very well. Yeah, so definitely plan on paddling when you're here. There is a lot of slow current between the riffles, but it's pretty peaceful. All right, there's another riffle. It sounds like it's a little rifflier than the rest. There should be a nice deep spot though. Got a nice steep bank on the left, rock bar on the right. There's kind of a rock bar on the left too, but we'll see what happens here. Oh yeah, that's what I heard. Oh, there we go. Oh boy. All right, don't do what I just did. That was exciting. Yep, this spot's pretty rough. Get out and drag it. It's nice to have a rope to drag. All right, we got lots of sandbars, gravel bars, whatever, and an island. I'm gonna go around the island to the right. Oh wow, that bald eagle swooped down. I hope you can see it. I'll zoom in. You'll be able to see it. He was 50 yards from me. I think I'm doing the right thing. Oh boy, no. I might be walking. boy. This is like a pebble bottom and it's shallow. It looks like it gets deep right here though. There's a lot of sandbars and stuff. Yeah, this is nice. If it just wasn't for the highway sounds, I'd feel like I was actually in nature. I mean, I'm in nature. I can just hear cars. Another island. I'm gonna get out right here. There's a little sandbar. I'm gonna get out before this ripple. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to walk anyway. So we pulled over to take a little break. There's a nice little gravel bar here. I don't know, it's pretty nice. There's lots of islands, little gravel bars, sandbars, little pools over here. Used to be a river, now it's a pool. And we just figured we'd take a little break, enjoy some scenery, stretch out a little bit. No reason to you know, overexert ourselves on this trip. Alrighty, break's over. We're gonna head through some more islands. Now I think I'm gonna shoot between those two boulders so we can see. Oh yeah, this will be fun. Oh yeah. This drops right off. Oh boy. All right, I'm through that ripple, but looks like there's another one coming up soon. I'm just gonna wait for them. Ooh, big buffalo. I hope I got it. We got a railroad bridge up here. I am not exactly sure where we're supposed to paddle. Looks like the right side is the right way to go. Looks like there's an island right behind it. Sandbar in front of it. It also kind of sounds like there's a waterfall on the other side. Definitely sounds like waterfalls up here. It might get a little hairy. I don't see where I'm supposed to go. Looks like a waterfall. Yeah, this will be exciting. You might go for a swim. Should have went to the right. Oh yeah, this is all downhill here. This is fun. Not safe whatsoever. There's no good way to get through there. Straight waterfall. Come on, miss the boulder. Miss the boulder. Alright, we got a little more excitement here. There's this bridge. Oh, that's a nice current. Nice and deep. That's fun. Let's see, that's the Belton Ridge Tunnel. We got hanging rocks in 3 miles. That's why we're here, hanging rocks. This is nice. We're going fast. All right, and now it looks like we lost the river again. We got through that fast, skinny part, and now looks like just a bunch of weeds. A couple little bitty river channels, that's it. I don't know. Since you guys are going that way, I'll go this way. It's not too far to get to the big river from here. If I can even get to this chute. Oh yeah, this is fun. Oh, rock. Oh yeah. I don't know if the other way's better than this, but this is pretty easy. Oh boy, rock. Uh-oh, I might have picked the wrong side. Ah. Time will tell. Beer. There we go. That's a weird current. We'll see who wins, them or me. Oh, it's awfully shallow here. We got some current. Hopefully it keeps me going. Almost there. On the gravel bar. I just wanted to stretch my legs. It was like 10 feet deep over there. Got some rocks over here. They're not the rocks we're looking for. That's pretty neat though. We got a tree house up here. Not quite Treehouse Masters quality, but by golly, I think they watched the TV show. It's pretty nice. Kelly's Raccoon Rehab. Yep, that looks like Kelly in the picture. Alright, so now up here we were just told by some campers that we need to stay hard right around this island. Some nice blue water up there. I can't slow down. I'm gonna go to the left of Bill, I think. Oh, nope. There, like that. You gotta steer off the bottom. Oh boy, that's not how I want to be. That is not a safe place to be. There we go. Sideways and leaning over in a riffle's not good. Oh, you're there too, just about. This is a nice deep chute. All right, we figured that out. We couldn't really see where the water was going. There's a sandbar. I thought we needed to go left. They thought we needed to go right. I went right, and it was right, but I also see a nice chute on the left too. So I think either way around that sandbar would have been fine. This side looks a lot deeper though. We got some rocks up ahead. I think they're the ones. Oh wow, that's way up there. Yeah, that got tall all of a sudden. Oh, there's hiking trails to it. That makes it easy. Maybe I'll climb up to the top if I can. That's pretty tall. Alrighty, we are gonna try to climb these rocks. Some jerks really did a good one here with their graffiti. That was real nice of them. Got a little plaque here. Hanging Rock in Wabash Reef. National Natural Landmark. In 1986. Alrighty. We met some nice people down there, but they're talking about millennials. They must not realize I can hear them. I'm like smack in the middle of millennial. Alright, this is a little steep. I mean, I'm sure, yeah, there's a road right there. There must be somewhere you can park and hike up here. But we like to bring our kayaks to places we can. Cars don't float very well. Whew. Yeah, this is steep, and I'm not taking my time. Look at the roots in that tree. Look at those roots. A lot of roots. Alrighty. Oop, I'm getting to the rock. Ooh. Yeah, this is kind of hard. Kind of a hard climb. I would say you don't have to be a rock climber to do it. But, holy moly. Thought my screen was cracked, but it was a spider web stuck to it. Alright. Wow, this is a climb. Oh, and here we are. We're at the top. This is actually really high. This is like really high. There's the river over there. Tulip tree, it looks like. Kayaks all the way down there. Wow, I can see so far from here. Well, there's like a straight down path there, but I'm not taking that one. Yep, this is awfully high. Alrighty. Look, that path there just looks way too steep for me to get down easily. Ooh, we got more rock back here too. Oh yeah, what we call Poison Ivy Point. It goes right down. It's actually not poison ivy, that's got 5 leaves, so we're good. Not poison ivy. There's a path that goes that way. I wonder, I'll go back the way I came, over there. Or do I climb down here and then join that path? There's lots of paths, I don't know which one to take. I guess that's why we call it an adventure.
Wow, amazing.
It's pretty far down. Alrighty, that was the hanging rocks. We got lots of hiking trails along the river here. We got a nice little thing over here. It's got some benches and apparently something you can read. I don't think it's something to put your hymnal on. That's cool. I wish I would have known that's there. I would have taken the walk over there. Here, can you see it? Yep, I think you can. Alright, it's been, I don't know, at least a half mile of smooth sailing after those hanging rocks. But we just came through a little bit of some, I don't know, little gravel bars and stuff, but not bad. They were pretty easily navigable. We got some neat rock on this right side over here. And up ahead, we got an island, lots of gravel bar, it looks like. Big old log jam, but it looks like it's clear to the right from here. But it also looks like there might be a channel to the left. I'll go to the left. My guess is it goes around that island to the right just fine though. But I think this left looks okay. I'll go.
I'll go to the right. Don't leave it down.
Okay, if I make it before you, I'll wait, but I think I'll probably be dragging. And then into the chute. Woohoo! It's pretty neat in here. Got some current, keeps you going nice and fast. It's not very deep, but I think I can make it around. Jeff's coming through. I think he heard me hoot and holler like it was gonna be a good time. Ooh, free bobber. Got a bobber. Oh, hey, there's a deer. There's a deer over there. He was hanging out on the island. I think we spooked him. Or her. Do you run out of water? I think this is his channel right here.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, there's a little water there, maybe. Yeah, when I saw a chute, I was like, yeah, I'll take it.
Looks good.
Then I hooted and hollered so you know that it'd be fun. I was like, woohoo! I'd say it's way more fun than that. Alrighty, we're in Largo. We're not in Key Largo, that'd be nice. But we're in Largo, we got our bridge, our nice little beach area, we got some people swimming and fishing. see the brick buildings in the background. They're doing a real nice job with this town. One of the ladies was telling us up there at the Hanging Rocks that they're really revitalizing. And judging by this kayak launch area, they really are. They're doing a fine job. All right, that's a wrap. Back at the truck. Got some families down there playing, so I turn off the camera. It's gonna be real nice. This bathroom right here, gonna be able to change into dry clothes. The trip was from Andrews, Indiana to Largo, Indiana. It was approximately 8 miles long and expected to take around 4 hours. According to the USGS in Wabash, Indiana, the discharge rate was approximately 110 cubic feet a second and approximately 2.35 feet deep. The ease of access was about as easy as it gets, with only a few steps to get to the river. The current flow was lazy to average, with some fast riffles and some slow pools. Obstacles are boulders and shallow riffles, planned to portage on occasion. Scenery is obviously Hanging Rock, and also the nature and wildlife. If you found this video entertaining or informational, make sure you like and subscribe for future adventures.